It's like a family tree, part of you and part of me. And if we should separate, go your own way, I won't wait.
Bring the funk back.
What do you think, Boone? Got some snow. Snow. Yes, he loves it, snow. Is that your snow? Did you get your snow back? We finally got snow again. Yes. I love snow. Go get him. Get the snow. Get the snow. Go get it. Get it. Where's Jackie? Ha. It's a little taller than Jackaboo. A little taller than Jackaboo. They'll do their thing, back up, get the rest of the road. There we go. I think the snow's lightening up. It's January 7th, 2024. Our first snowstorm of the year and the first snowstorm of a couple years. It's been a while since we've had some real snow. I didn't even get my snowshoes out last year. Oh, about 5.5 inches, almost 6. Oh, that's over 6 there. I must have been on something. All right, let's go with that. A little over 6 inches. Welcome to New York. What are you doing? What are you doing, sass pants? Huh? Yeah. Looks like Carrie's getting me shoveled out here. Nice. See what the goats are doing. Hi, boys. Oh my goodness. So we didn't get the door on, but I think they're liking the shed. What do you think, Diego? Be nice, Olaf. I think it's working out all right. Those two have been out on the bale all night. Looks like we're doing all right. Carrie's getting the tractor out so we can get our driveway plowed out, and he'll run up to Mom's and take care of her too. There you go. Are you ready? Aw, he's a sweet boy. He's a sweet boy now. Good morning, Dixie. What do you think? Just put that bale out a couple days ago. Fatties. I don't like to blanket if you don't need to. They're not shivering. Getting these guys their grain. So usually Louie is the one that gets cold. Will be a little shivery, but this morning they're doing all right. I was a little worried last night, thinking I probably should have blanketed them just because they'd be out standing on the bale while it snowed all night, but seems like that's what kept them nice and warm. Get their daily feed. I feed them together. They're full brothers, these two. Bred and raised them. I've had them their whole lives, so this works out just fine for these two. They share pretty well. Hey, boys. Be nice. All right, guys. Oh my goodness. There you go. Since there's snow, I had to get two separate buckets, because if I walk away, Olaf will beat the snot out of poor Diego. Somebody's still shy. You're still shy, aren't you? And we have Mr. Boone's. I see you've been out helping Daddy. The joys of having an Aussie in the snow. And he loves the snow. What are you doing, Boone?